In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add qualifications on LinkedIn. Adding new qualifications to your LinkedIn profile is a fantastic way to showcase your achievements and keep your profile up to date. Whether you've just completed a new course, received a certification, or attained a new academic degree, we've got you covered on how to include these milestones on your LinkedIn profile. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, look for the option to sign in. You might see an option to sign in with Google, or you might prefer to continue with your LinkedIn account credentials. Go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the web page where you'll find your profile photo. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, select View Profile to go to your LinkedIn profile page. On your profile page, you're going to see an array of options to customize and add to your LinkedIn profile. Look for a button labeled Add Profile section. This button is crucial because it unlocks the ability to enhance your profile with additional information, including your qualifications. After clicking Add Profile section, your next step is to click on Recommended. This section is designed by LinkedIn to suggest additions that could enrich your profile. Among these recommendations, you will find the option to add licenses and certifications. Go ahead and select that. It's precisely where you want to be to add your new qualifications. Clicking on Add Licenses and Certifications opens up a new form. This form is where you'll input the details of your new qualification. Be meticulous here, include the name of the certification, the issuing organisation, and the date you received it. If there's an expiration date, make sure to include that as well. There's also space to add the credential ID and the credential URL if these are applicable. These details matter because they lend credibility to your qualification and ensure that anyone viewing your profile can verify your achievement if they wish to. The last step in this process is simply to click Save. With that, your new qualification will be added to your LinkedIn profile for all your connections and potential employers to see. Remember, updating your LinkedIn profile with new qualifications as you acquire them demonstrates your commitment to personal and professional development. It could be the detail that catches the eye of your next employer or collaborator. So, don't overlook this simple yet effective way to stand out on LinkedIn. That concludes our guide on adding qualifications to your LinkedIn profile. Make sure to review your entry for accuracy before saving, and keep your LinkedIn profile updated to reflect your professional progress. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.